Hey everyone! Did you know you can connect any light from Home Assistant to the eWeLink app, even if it's not officially supported? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Let's dive in. Hey there! In this video, I'll show you how to add a non-compatible device to the eWeLink app. For this demo, I'll be using these two Tuya multicolor LED bulbs. This feature is fantastic because it lets you control all your lights from a single app. You'll be able to turn the lights on and off, adjust brightness, and even change colors, all in real time. Watch as I demonstrate how adjusting the brightness in the app instantly dims the bulb. I can also adjust the color intensity, and you'll see the changes instantly reflected. Watch how the bulb instantly changes colors as I adjust them in the app. You can see the live update happening on my Home Assistant floor plan right here on the screen. Let's dive in and see how it's done. Head over to your Home Assistant page and click on the eWeLink Smart Home option in the sidebar. If you haven't installed it yet, I'll link a video in the description that shows you how. On the eWeLink add-on page, you'll see all your devices connected to the eWeLink app. At the top, there's an option called Sync Home Assistant Devices. Note that at the time I recorded this video, this feature is still in beta, but it works really well.
Interesting.
Go ahead and click on that option. A list of devices will appear on the next screen. Currently, you can only add lights and switches. To sync a device with the eWeLink app, just click the Sync button next to it. I'll go ahead and choose these two devices. And that's it, your devices are now synced with the eWeLink app. At the top of the page, click on the eWeLink devices link to check if the devices you just synced are listed. The ones I added are already showing up. If your devices don't appear, simply go to the top of the page and click the refresh button, then check again. And there they are. Now, open the eWeLink app on your phone and check if the new devices appear. Here are mine. You might notice a new device with a strange name that you didn't add. Tap on it. This is where all your synced Home Assistant devices are listed. You can control them directly from here. I don't like the default name, so let's change it. Tap the settings icon, the three dots, then select name. I'm renaming it to Home Assistant because it makes the most sense to me. Choose a name that works for you, and save it. And that's it. You can now control all your devices from the eWeLink app. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe so you don't miss any future content, and don't forget to hit that like button.